Welcome to 92 Glassco Avenue North in Hamilton. Lovely bungalow on a quiet street. Spacious front porch leads to open living room, dining space, and kitchen. 2 bedrooms and full bathroom. Walk out to the back deck from the kitchen with covered deck and a lower level patio. Separate side entrance with a basement and living space. Kitchen, bedroom, full bathroom, and laundry. Perfect for in-law apartment potential. Private backyard with 2 sheds for storage. Close to highways, public transportation, shopping, schools, and parks. Don't miss this one.